let's say you have your exam in coming June or maybe July, right? So I'm pretty sure your exam is until chapter 3 or maybe chapter 4, it depends. Yeah. Okay. So today our main focus will be what? Our main focus will be quite random. Okay, quite random one. Like the so-called latest way of testing students will be pure form 3, right? Yeah, so except for Catholic high school students. Yeah, so any of you over here, your exam, it's only form 3. Can you raise your hand? Yeah, this is important. Because so far I heard only like 2 schools. One is Catholic high school, another one I forget which school already, because they are one of the normal class student mentioned to me. He said that, teacher, my school, like first 2 chapter only, very little. But form 3, form 2 there is. Yeah, so that's the point. So if let's say your school is only like pure form 3, raise your hand. Raise, don't lower down. I want to count how many of you. Nice, Kayan. Okay, pure form 3 only, you raise your hand. Pure form 3 only, your exam. Ini important. So little only? Serious or Zining? Oh, that one is like the first term. Like your super first term is like, I think 45 minutes only. I guess lah, like I think more than half score 90 above lah. Yeah, because I see the exam paper already. Because it's more to like rules than like proper indices question. Yeah, more like rules lah. Yeah, I see the question already. Yeah, so it's like quite okay lah. At least you all like really know how to use the rules and everything. But we have to go further lah. Yeah, okay. So so little only 10 only. Okay, come, never mind. So next, okay, so I think I asked the other one because I was expecting most of the students say it's only like form 3. Okay, so any of you, your exam will be form 2 and 3. Listen carefully, 2 and 3, because Catholic high school is 1, 2, 3. Different one. Raise hand, raise hand, then don't lower down. 2 and 3. Form 2 and form 3. Form 2 and form 3. Yeah, form 2 and form 3. Hey, Kayan, you DJ, right? Okay, next, anyone is like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Why some didn't react one? So anyone don't know? This one important. Anyone don't know, raise your hand. Yeah, because I'm supposed to do a polling system one, but then I noticed this is a breakout room, so I cannot type like polling. Yeah, so you all cannot click. Instead of that, you have to raise hand. So it will be quite hard for me to like decide. Okay, so I will use raise hand to decide. Okay, so okay, so looks like some didn't react lah, so a bit hard for me to decide also, Okay, so kawan-kawan sekalian, so I'm going to mention again, it will be good if let's say you utilize your chat. Yeah, so I understand that some of you is using iPads or maybe phone. It will be quite hard for you to do chatting because you have to press the chat, then you will quit from the screen, then after it you have to type again. I understand all those things because I actually come part of the whole what's that this like Zoom system. Yeah, okay, so when I go through like all the things, everything, right, I have to know all the possible things so that I can suggest teachers everything. Yeah, so I understand that, but if let's say you have any question, please make an effort to type the message also lah. Okay, now, so since roughly I know what are the things already, you can load down your hand already. Thank you. Then what we're going to do today is to introduce to you like questions where it helps you in being a strong student. Okay, in being a strong student. I didn't mention wrongly. So as for weak students, this is what I worried. Okay, so the next thing already So that's why a bit hard because I need polling system. Okay, polling means that you can click like some questions. Okay, the next one. Any of you, I mean form 2 not form 3 because the recent form 3 exam, that one cannot decide on. Okay, anyone, your form 2 final exam is above 70, raise your hand. Sorry, I need to make it clear first, so I know like the class standard, where is it, so I need to progress faster. Suggest you anything. More than 70, raise your hand. Like 70 as well, 70 and 70 and above. Okay, roughly, roughly. So you remember like roughly, teacher, I get like roughly 70. Then you just raise your hand, can already. Yeah, that's the part lah. You are also quite worried on that. Okay, more than 70, raise your hand. Huh? So little, yeah. Okay, never mind. More than 70, I mean 70 plus, 80 plus, 90 plus. Oh. Aish. Okay. Okay, then next, anyone is between the range of 50 to 69. Come, raise your hand. 50 to 69. I think this one more. There's more. After you raise, just raise it between 50 to 69. Okay, Ken, thank you. Anyone? Okay, this one a bit sensitive lah, but please be honest lah. But you don't raise your hand, okay? So you tell me in the chats. I think that will be better lah. So you won't get too embarrassed, okay? Because I used to be in this category also. 29 marks, you won't win. Okay, everyone. Can I know anyone fail? Like, don't raise your hand, no? Just tell me in the chats, can already. Yeah, so anyone fail? Important, I need to know like our standard, okay, so I can suggest a lot of things to you all, okay? Because today, doing questions is one of it, but not a lot. But letting you know in depth is the main thing. That's why I prepare a lot of video for everybody already. Come, anyone fail? Like fail, don't raise your hand. Just tell me in the chats. Can really like, teacher, I fail. You can direct message me. You can click direct message, then I can see you. Yeah, don't worry. Direct message me, that I know already. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you for your honesty, everyone. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, don't worry lah. At 29 marks, you higher than me, kawan. Right? Don't feel embarrassed, because our aim is to get better, ma. Okay, anyone else? No, right? Okay, so everyone, thank you for your response. And now I'm gonna go into the booklet already. Okay, I'm gonna go into the booklet. So you're gonna write a lot of things with me. Okay. As I know the coming exam, right? I would say every single school is not testing full paper yet. They're not testing full paper yet. So what do I mean by full paper? Come flip to this page. Okay, flip to this page. This is your notes. Like the first page there's Gaby, Qinghua Yixuan, and Liang Jie. Yeah. Now, so what I'm gonna do is that, okay, I'm gonna write this. Okay, I'm gonna write this. First of all, your exam format, it will be section A, section B, and section C. Okay, section A, section B, and section C. And everybody knows that section A, there is 1 to 20 marks, 1 to 20 questions. So it will be a total of 20 marks as well, right? And then the next thing will be, as for your next part, which is your section B, there will be a total of, sorry, I put here 20 questions. Okay, 20 questions, 20 marks. Yeah, okay, 20 questions, 20 marks. Okay, then after that, wait, let me just erase it. Then after that, you have your section B, where there is a total of 5 questions, and these 5 questions total up will be 20 marks as well. So what happens is that these 2 parts is the main part that determines whether you fail or wrong. You fail or 60 plus. nobody get like pass only one. We want to get like better. Okay, now the next thing. Okay, the next thing. So these two part, right? Normally I repeat, normally students can get like super high marks because all the hot question over here is like easy, yeah. So like those harder version, hot question, there is level one, there is super low level hot question, and there is like super high level hot question. Okay, now, so the next one over here, section C is the main part. There will be a total of question 6, question 7, 8, 9, 10. So total there will be 5 questions, and these 5 questions, every single question are 10 marks. Sorry, 6 question. 6 question. Every question 10 marks. Okay, then total up it will be 60 marks. This is our main concern on the difficulty. Of course, it's not like everything difficult. So we have to bear and see the possible question types. So in my seminar notes, right, basically I would say like 80% of the question type, it belongs to section C. Okay, 80% of the question belongs to section C, like not the whole thing, but part A, part B, part C. So over here, the 60 marks are like one question, like let's say question one, one question. So they will separate to like part A, part B, and part C. Maybe part A, B, C, D, depends. Yeah, so that's how they, so that's how they allocate the marks. Okay, so suppose you know this, right? Because your Form 2 final exam, that's the actual part. Okay, so first term exam, I don't think they go actual yet because most of the students that I asked in normal class, they said that it's only chapter 1, 2. Okay, so as for Catholic high school students, there's a few over here because Mandarin class is the main one. There will be like more Catholic high school students there. So they mentioned to me that I don't think it's full paper yet. This is what I heard. I don't know whether there's any changes because I didn't see the timetable yet. Yeah. Okay. So that's that's on the overall. So if let's say your exam is not a full paper, so maybe over here is like 10 questions, maybe over here 3 questions only, maybe over here like 3 or maybe 4 questions, they will lower down the overall total marks. Okay, so you have to know that. Okay, as for today, right? So to teach an overall, to improve everybody as an overall, right? There's a few things that I need to go through. Okay, so the first thing I go through will be circle later. Okay, the first thing I go through will be circle. And then after that, I will go through another one called, coordinates. Okay, coordinates. Sorry, I missed out this as well. Three-dimensional geometry. Your what's it called? Your coordinates. And then indices and consumer mathematics. So as for indices and consumer mathematics in normal class, I noticed like half of the students over here, more than half, is actually in normal class, right? So normal class students, indices, I did most of them, but later I will take a few to recap again, as for your consumer mathematics as well. Okay, now so it depends on timing. I won't be doing a lot, because my main thing is to guide and tell you what other extra videos you can pick it up to watch and study. Okay, so like 2 hours not enough one. If I say 2 hours I can teach you everything, then why you come for normal class? Make sense, right? So seminar, I wouldn't say useless, but it's more to like guiding you what can you do. So you don't expect I do every single question impossible one. Okay, now so everyone, I will take this away and show you some potential question from what's it called, from school exam papers. Okay, so now our screen, you won't be able to see the exam paper. I mean, you don't have it because what you have, your check, what you have, if I'm not mistaken, check now. Now what you have, you have Form 2 CHS 2019 paper, right? Your check and see. Yeah, together with you, like besides seminar notes, you have a few test paper with you on, right? Yeah, so you have Form 2 Catholic 2019, and then after that you have you check and see, and then you have Form 3 2019 Asunta paper. Nani? Where is it? Like, or you just registered like recently only? Then you have Asunta 2019 paper, Form 3. And then you have Puchung Jaya B 2019 Form 3 paper. And you have Form 3 2019 USJ 12 test paper. Yeah, so these are old version question where it's harder lah. Like the recent one is like, I wouldn't say there is no hard question, but this one, based on what I noticed, it's like better lah. Okay, the better version. Okay, so now I will open up like some Catholic high school question to show everybody. Okay, I'll open up now. So to show you won't be able to, I mean, you don't have the physical copy with you. This is like a link. So I will open up. Okay, then you just look at it. Okay, look at it. Okay, come. So look at this guy. Stop share. So I'm gonna, yeah, boom. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, see, 2019. Periksaan pertama. Can you see that? Like 2 hours paper, right? 2 hours paper. Section A, 20 marks. Catholic students, be careful. I will be mentioning a lot of Catholic stuff. Number one, because the test paper is like, whoa. And number two, because like 70% of my my students actually Catholic high school students. Yeah, okay. So come back. Now, so everyone, look at this. Okay, look at this. So I'm going to show you this. Now, the first one. Now, again, please make sure you know what is your exam syllabus. Okay, because I already asked like in the starting of the class, some of you is like Form 3 only, some of you is like Form 2, Form 3, some of you is like Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. So I will give you, I will show you Catholic high school Form 3 where they include 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I will tell you the benefits, the pro and cons of testing Form 3 only. Okay, now, so over here, this is number pattern and sequence Form 2, chapter 1. Okay, the next one, as you can see, Form 3, significant figure. Form 3, standard form. This one, it's your graph of function, which is your chapter 8, Form 2. And then you have your solid geometry, Form 2, algebraic formula, Form 2, Form 1, polygons, yes. And after that, look at this. Oh, is it too small, everyone? So I can make it bigger, actually. Is it too small? Okay, too small. I say, bam. Okay, bigger. So better? Is that better, right? So maybe I go back again now. See, bigger version one. This is the one. See, this one, number pattern and sequence, Form 2. Significant figure, Form 3. Standard form, Form 3. And after that, just recognize a bit. Yeah, okay. I will teach based on Form 1, 2, 3. If let's say I purely focus on Form 3, right, a bit no point. That's the problem that happens in Malaysia. They don't standardize the syllabus. And then they don't standardize the calculator as well. So that's the problem where it happens. Okay. Now, so over here, Form 2 graph of function, and then Form 2 solid geometry, Form 2 algebraic formula, Form 1 polygons. Okay, the next one, look at this. So recognize them a bit. Form 2 probability. Senang je. Then this one, Form 1 linear equation. Now, everyone, why not I ask everybody, you all tell me, so see whether your first step is the same as mine or not. Okay, everyone, listen carefully. React in the chat, thank you very much. So the first step, what I do is that I will expand this, everyone, I will expand this. I will get -6m plus 2m. My question to everybody, once you expand this, tell me what is your next step? You will move which figure? I repeat, you have m over 2 minus 3 equals to, I expanded this into -6 plus 2m. Tell me what is your next step, what you will move. Ini important. Tell me what is your next step. Okay, tell me what is your next step. Okay. Okay, not bad. So I noticed like there is 7 students reacted the answer to me. Thank you very much. But I need more replies from everybody. If you don't know, just put dash or maybe put a cross. I'm okay with that. Because that's the reason why you come for the seminar, right? If not, you won't come ready, right? Not? So you react. Yeah. So remember, I'm here to educate, to teach. I'm not here to shout at you and say, stupid, you know how to do. Yeah, okay. I'm not this kind of teacher. Yeah. So because if let's say I do that, right? Come on. No point on. It will decrease your confidence towards learning lah. So no point on that. Okay, let me show you like quickly on what I will do, and I will suggest to you what we can do lah. Okay, now. So everyone, that's why I say today is more to guiding. Today is more to guiding. Okay. So kawan-kawan sekalian, look at this. So I already write like the questions over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that just now I said, hey, I did the first step for you. I said that m over 2 minus 3 equals to, we're gonna expand. Look at the word that I mentioned. We're gonna expand. You can write down if you want. Minus 6 and then plus 2m. Okay, so there is two kind of situation. And now I'm gonna mention to you, because when I do linear equation in Form 1, right? Yeah, I have two different type of students. So I wouldn't say you are wrong, because like over here, who said that? Like Hanwei mentioned to me, teacher, the m over 2, right? The m over 2 and the other side, the 2m, right? We can bring together. That's one of them. And Xingning mentioned the same thing. And after that, who else mentioned the same thing? Paul also mentioned the same thing. Yeah, a few more, okay, mentioned actually the same thing. Then some students say, teacher, move the minus 3 lah. You are right as well. So my question to you, very simple one. We can choose two different style. Number one, option number one, we can choose the Playboy method. Okay, we can choose the Playboy method. So what is Playboy? Break up here and there one. A lot of girlfriend one. Yeah, so this is what happened. I'm going to teach you this thing called the fraction. Okay, fraction. Whenever you do whatever linear equation, algebraic formula kind of question, we always focus on this thing called fraction. But you have to make sure your fraction is always in this format called single fraction. You want to be 90 plus over, right? You have to be detailed. No point just spamming question, but you need to know the detail, then you teach your friend. Yeah. So Playboy method, this is what happened. Okay, I'm going to write the workings down already. Okay, so it will be m over 2 equals to minus 6 plus 2m plus 3. Right? I moved the minus 3 away. Then m over 2 equals to minus 3 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3, how much? We settle this first. This one can settle. Minus 6 plus 3, you get a minus 3. So 2m minus 3. Now, everyone, why not I ask you again, what is m over 2? Yeah, Xingning, I know. So that will be the second option, because I'm giving two different situations. It will help in algebraic formula as well. Yeah, okay. So you're right too. Okay, now, so m over 2 equals to 2m minus 3. Can you tell me m over 2, it's a what? To get 90 marks, you have to know this in depth one. So what is this thing called? I just wrote it on top. Start with S. S for what? Single fraction. Sorry, S one. Single fraction. So when you see single fraction, tell yourself, move the divide over and make it times. So this is what I'm going to do. M equals to move the divide over. So I'm going to take the whole thing times 2. Very simple one. What is single fraction? Let me tell you. Single fraction means single. One person only. You see this playboy over here? This playboy got girlfriend one. So once the girlfriend go away already, single already, single fraction. This is very important in your linear equation, the algebraic formula. That's why I say, by doing it using field, right, it doesn't help. You have to know the in-depth. Yeah, hey, come on. Our main focus is to be greater, right, everyone? Yeah, so be greater is in Form 4 and Form 5, not Form 3. Come on, Form 3. Form 4 is the main thing, all right? So that's why I'm teaching you main stuff. Okay, you move the 2 over, you take the whole thing times 2. 4m minus 6. Now we can do the relevant already. You see, we can bring the m together. So m plus move there, minus 4m. It's like queuing up. It's like queuing up. So you move to the other side. I know plus becomes minus, but you queue behind. So m minus 4m minus 3m. Cut both negative when you have one terms. So m equals to 6 divided by 3. The answer is 2. This is the playboy concept. You take away the so-called girlfriend, boyfriend. Okay, you take away the so-called girlfriend, boyfriend. Okay, now, but how if you say, teacher, I'm not a playboy. Okay, I'm a very loyal person. Yeah, so after I get into a relationship, I want to marry on. Okay, you want to do that also, Cam? So you see how I'm going to do it. Hey, I'm not playing a full one, because these are methods where it really helps in your mathematics, your maths, like in your Form 4 and Form 5. That's why all these things is recorded. Okay, I have a lot of like little videos for you to watch. If let's say you are super weak, my main concern is on super weak students. Okay, now so everyone, student, okay, most of the student actually mentioned this to me, like, teacher, bring the m together lah. Okay, I bring. So the plus 2m, if I bring here, what you will get, everyone? I will be queuing up. Queuing up is called barato. Yeah, so you're gonna queue up behind your m over 2, and you will get a minus 2m, right? Yeah. Okay, then the next one. Negative 6 is originally there. Then I will say, hey, minus 3, go and find 6 lah. Your same category one. Okay, I go there. Plus 3. So I move there already. Okay, if you're okay, you put okay first. This is the one that I mentioned. Option number 2. The very loyal man. So you're gonna marry together already one. Okay, let me explain to is that how I pronounce your name? Shantosh? Is it? Yeah, okay. So let me explain to Santosh. Po. Yeah, I wrote wrongly. Okay, now, so the reason, see, Santosh, M, oops, M means 1M. It's like you have 1 ringgit, but you owe somebody 4 ringgit. You still owe 3 ringgit, no? That's why negative 3. Is that what you mean? Or just now, this part where I accidentally wrote the M there, or the other one? Okay. So everyone, you see, everyone, this is not single fraction. Now, the most important thing on why I mentioned this, students, let me ask, if you tried or maybe wanted to do this, you type a 1. It's okay, one. Anyone plan to move these 2 over? Anyone? If you plan to do this, you type a 1. If you don't plan to do this, you type a 9. So I can know the difference. If you plan to move these 2 away, you type 1. If you plan not to do this, you know you have to do something else because you know your own methods, you type a 9. Yeah, everyone, thank you for a response. Actually, most of the students type 1. So back to the important thing again. When you see a fraction, make sure it becomes a what fraction first come? Tell me. That's why I say, yes, you have to make sure you get a single fraction. So how do you get a single fraction? Come, Kaya, I show you. How do you get a single fraction? I already said you can use the playboy way, but we don't want to. We don't want to, right? You can choose the playboy way. I already said you can move away and make sure the fraction becomes single. But if you don't want to, you can marry them. Very simple. Over 1 times 2 times 2. Now you combine already, no? Yes, Paul, you're right. So m minus 4m over 2 equals to minus 6 plus 3 minus 6. You saw that? So can you see now they combine into a single fraction already? SF means single fraction. Then now you can move the 2 already. Now you can move the 2. So m minus 4m minus 3m. So divide, move there. Okay, divide, move there, you get the negative 6. You see? You still get the same thing. You get what I mean? That's why I say, I don't play a full one. Answering technique is important, as in for you to memorize. That's why I see I use the word playboy, loyal, to marry them. These are answering technique. Yeah. But back to the correct situation, you need to make sure your fraction in any linear equation and algebraic formula, it's a single fraction first. Okay. Why we can't move the 2 when it is m2? Let me see, where is it? Is it m over 2? Is that what you're trying to say? Okay, come, let me explain to everybody why we can't do that. Yeah, it's an interesting question. That's why I say, everyone, please treat seminar as a way to improve. Yeah, okay. So if I go through every single question with you, seriously, no point, everyone. So that's why I prefer to tell you the skills and I provide you extra videos where I pre-recorded. That's better for you all, I think. Okay, I think. So if let's say you expect to do a lot of questions, right? I think you can do it yourself using full solutions, right? So I'm here to answer your questions. Okay, so that's the reason why you come for live class, right? Okay, so thank you for your understanding, everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna show you like the reason. Okay, I'm gonna show you the reason, everyone. Now, but you all don't have to write it, just to understand. When I'm in Form 4 at Maths, right? In normal class, I mentioned this. I said that I have a MS teacher which is like super good. I'm super weak in my maths, but then besides laughing at me as well, she actually guided me a lot of things and teach me how to prove some little things. Like for example, everyone, 9/3 plus 5 equals to 8. Do you think this equation is correct? Like you don't guess, you just calculate and see and tell me whether this very simple equation true or false. Yeah, come, I give you some time. 9/3 plus 5 equals to 8, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to move around. I believe some student will say, oh, teacher, I suddenly macam understand what you mean already. This is the reason why in linear equation, a lot of students, they don't get the reason why you have to move this first. Teacher, why you have to move that one first? Why? That's the reason. This is what I asked my teacher, but my teacher didn't laugh at me and didn't shout at me. So my teacher said, never mind, I prove to you. Okay, so I prove to everybody, see. Okay, everyone, agree or not, just now I have been mentioning this thing called single fraction, right? Is this considered a single fraction, everybody? No, because single supposed to be only one line, Hey, this one got girlfriend one. The girlfriend is +5, right? So that's why if we try to move it, 9/3, you see, I insist not to divide. I know I divide, I get a 3. But then in linear equation, you cannot divide. Normally, they will put an x there, right? Right. So I insist not to divide, I leave it there. Then you notice, +5 move over, you get 8 minus 5. Everyone, is this equation still equivalent, left and right? 9/3 is 3. 8 minus 5 is still 3. Correct. Then you see, everyone, 9 equals to 8. This one single fraction, so I move the 3 over. So 8 minus 5 times 3. Everyone, the whole thing times 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Correct. So that's the reason why I make it single fraction. So this is what I mean. We need details. If you don't know detail, you keep memorizing your maths, a bit no point. And of course, I'm here to explain and give you the answering technique. Yeah, okay, now next, now I prove to you why the 3 cannot move. Everyone, if I really move the 3, right, 9 plus 5 equals to 8 times 3. Everyone, 8 times 3, 24. 9 plus 5, 14 is not equivalent. This is rubbish. You get what I mean? For strong students, you sure know already, but for weak students, I believe this is the breakthrough for you to get more understanding of mathematics. A lot of situation, right? I remember I've been saying I get 29 marks. Okay, then it's considered like I don't know what happened lah. Even my parents said that, wow, you 29 marks, looks like you are not good in maths. Never mind, I will explore you in better things where you are better. So actually, I don't have anything good lah. I'm just good in sports. That's the point. Then my mom said, it's okay lah. So as long as you do something that you think you are good. But then, do you notice the 29 marks actually is like camouflage my skill? But in the end, when I'm in Form 4 and Form 5, I actually score like super good. You get what I mean? So the reason of why I score super low marks, because when I asked my teacher, they didn't explain in depth. They just say you must do this. Then I say, what the heck? I don't understand. So that's why you have to go in depth. The moment you go in depth for weak students are suddenly, sure, oh, it's actually like that one. I know already. Then you will start doing because you finally understand that. This is the reason. Okay. So that's the point, Kayan. Okay. So I believe one day you will be like super good and you are getting better and better. Okay. High five. Okay, now. So understand? So come, let's go back. Let's go back. This is the one I said. So my job is to tell you all these things. Now, okay, come, let's go back to our question type. Okay, question type. No need. Okay, here. Okay, come back. So just now we talked about some details on my question number 9 already. So you know the answer is actually A 2. Okay. Now then after that, 10 is your indices, and then 11 is your linear inequalities, and then you have your polygons. Oh yeah, everyone, just a quick shortcut. Why not you tell me in the chats? When you see number of sides, you want to find number of sides, what's the best way? What's the fastest way to get number of sides? What's the fastest way to get number of sides? Okay, let me tell you. Ui, king oh. Okay, Kemi and Cindy, you're right. Okay, I tell you everyone, the fastest way is always exterior angle. Nobody go and do like all the interior angle then this one didn't complete also, cry not. Now, so I show you, you all take a calculator, okay? Prepare a calculator, a lot of explanation here. Now, no writing one. This one paper one, right a bit. This one biggest already. Biggest already. Zoom in. Form. Cannot. Zoom in. Yeah, that's the biggest already. Okay. Now, so I will just explain to everyone. I'll read out to you, Sini. In diagram 4, P, Q, R, S, T, and U are vertices of. Wait, let me zoom again. Zoom in. That's the biggest. Too bad. Yeah. Okay, they are the vertices of irregular polygons. Okay, polygons. Yeah. Okay, wait, why not, if let's say you want to open up this thing, right, you can click this, then it will be easier for you to see also. Okay, now then you notice like students, 95 and 105, right, is like, if I total up this thing, how much you get? This one important, there are some names that you have to know, you know. Yeah, so if I total up this thing, what is it? How much? $200. Tell me what's the name to 200. Hey, come on. You don't say like, teacher, I'm weak in English, so it means I'll be very weak in my maths. Pui. Come on, my English suck on, you know. Students laugh at my English one. So come on, I can teach you, so you don't say like, teacher, my English is bad means my English is bad also. Pui. Yes, Pavitra. Bye. Okay, see you in YouTube. Okay, so 95 and 105, you say 200, right? 200, no name one. If let's say you can tell me the 200's name, you win already. So Cindy, you are correct. Okay, so tell me what is the exterior angle. You can find this, you win. Tell me what's the exterior angle. Anyone, tell me what's the exterior angle. Very simple one, come. Let me show everybody. Now, see, this thing is 200, correct? This thing is 200, 200, can see, right, everyone? You see my mouse? This is 200, and your interior 160, your interior 160, So exterior angle is the best way to settle, So you draw a line. So this is 160. Come on, your exterior 20. Your exterior 20. Wait, understand not? Don't understand, say, you don't say like, teacher, I understand. Actually, you don't understand. Right? I repeat, this one 200, right? This one 200. Then your interior angle 160. This is a regular polygon which is not completed. Okay, so this one 160. Then you draw a line. You draw a line from R to S. Draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. So beside your 160 this little thing 20. That's the exterior angle. If you get it, you type a 1. Don't get it, ask. Got it, Okay, nice. Okay, one thing to improve mathematics, you see my face? Thick. You must be thick as in your face. Don't get like shy, people laugh at you or what. Come on, people laugh at you is their problem. Yeah, so you care about people's what's it called? Like how they think you are a bad student or what. Come on, nobody cares about that. Okay, so just be yourself. Okay, so that's 20, right? Now everyone, this one king ready. No. Santosh, because this whole thing from RS you draw a line. So the whole thing will be 180 because your interior and exterior is 180. So since you know this is 160, then 180 minus 160, you get 20. So your exterior angle is 20. Understand put 1? Understand put 1? Yeah, you see? Ask, you know already. Smart. Okay, now everyone, tell me the sum of exterior for any type of polygon. Any type. The sum of exterior for any type of polygon. Wow, I see. Okay, any type of polygon, 360. Why not? 360. Everyone, tell me how many 20 degrees will form 360? Divide lah. Why not? 360 divided by 20, 18 of them. So answer is donkey. That's why exterior angle is the best way. You see, no calculation needed. You just type your calculator, type, you get answer already. Yeah, so the best way is to do this. SPM got one. You don't say like teacher, form 2, form 3 only. SPM form 1 to form 5. That's the reason why I'm so shocked when they say they refine the syllabus, okay, to like form 1 test, form 1, form 2 test, form 2, form 3 test, form 3. I don't know lah. To me, this is like the stupidest thing of all. Yeah. Okay. Although lah, it's soft like students gonna be gonna study on that and on that form 1 because form 1 you have WASA, you have to really study for form 1. Then form 2 you're gonna really study for your form 2 WASA. Then form 3 you're gonna really study for your form 3 WASA. But the problem is, sorry lah, form 1, 2, 3, most of the students is not mature yet, just like me last time. You're not mature yet. So if you're not mature yet, when you are reaching form 3, form 4, right? When you get more matured, you really put your effort to study, right? You flunk your form 1 and form 2 already. So that's why I would rather everything tested in form 3 as a big final exam. Students put their most effort into it. Then somehow they can restudy form 1 and form 2 as well, because form 2 is the main chapters. All the algebraic expressions, your graph drawings, your speed acceleration, everything is in form 2. So imagine form 3, you didn't go through that. Form 4, gone. That's why I'm very worried, Sining for now better. But if let's say in the end WASA exam comes out, then you focus on form 3. But now it's to improve as an overall, you must recap form 1 and form 2. Because now it's still early. Okay, but for Catholic high school student cannot. Your exam is form 1, form 2, form 3 all the way until your final exam when they decide your stream as well. You have to study up to like everything for Catholic high school students. Okay, so everyone look at this. Okay, the next one we have speed acceleration. We have graph of motion again, graph of function again, and we have credit cards. Credit cards. Okay, then after that we have what is this? This is locus. Locus form 2. 要我 locus 我 wait, what is this? 要我 locus 我 Okay, then after that, you have your set over here for question 18, statistics. Okay, statistics. And after that, you have your circles. Okay, circle didn't form 3 one. What happened here? Yeah. Oh, this one at the end one. Okay, no? Then probability. Okay, then just to go through a bit on your section, what? Your section B, 20 marks. You see that? 20 marks, okay, normal ratio. Okay, like normal, big to small, small to big, these kind of things like your ratio, your transformation, correct? Yeah, sometimes, but it's 2 hours. So you check whether your school exam it's only 1 hour or maybe 1.5 hour or what, but this one is 2 hours lah. Okay, this one is 2 hours different. Okay, then after that, state the relationship between P and Q. Okay, either 1-to-1, 1-to-many, these kind of things. Yeah, you see, 1-to-many, you see, one answer. Sorry, many to one, not 1-to-many. Step myself. You see, can you see 1 and 4 eventually it goes to number 6? That's called many X answer comes out 1 answer. So your answer is many to 1. So you have 1-to-1, you have many to 1, 2 types only. Yeah, 1-to-1, many to 1. It's actually form 2. Then after that, what is domain and codomain? Domain is like the answer that you put into a certain function. Like for example, y equals to x plus 1. You have to put into x to complete a table, right? So you put the x inside, you put the x inside. So this will be all the x answer, like constant 1, 2, 3, 4. Eventually it comes out your codomain. This is the final answer. So your domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Your codomain is 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, but don't worry, all these links I will send to you. You all can try out the questions. Yeah, okay. So match the following is just normal linear equation, form 2 square root. Then after that, you have this thing, significant figure. Okay, everyone, tell me question C, how many significant figure you have for question number 1? Important, this one, Keyan, let me tell you something. Remember the racing one? Tell me again, what's your answer? Yes, Junhao, you're right. Yes, Keyan, you're right. So what's the answer? The answer is 3 significant figure. Okay, I explained to everybody why. Okay, but before we do that, why not we look at number 2 as well? Number 2, how many SF? Like number 1, your SF is 3. 3 SF, 3 significant figure. Okay, but your number 2, it's only 2 SF. Okay, 2 SF, very simple situation. Okay, why not I ask everybody, you all answer me a very simple situation. Okay, let's say now Keyan, what happened is that I'm gonna sell you tissue paper. Okay, I'm gonna sell you tissue paper. And which tissue paper I will sell you? Not the whole thing, but this thing. I'm gonna steal up. Okay, so I use already. Hey, okay. So this used tissue paper you want to buy, so I put on Carousel. Okay, or in case a student don't know what's Carousel, something like Buddha.com, Buddha.my. You sell secondhand stuff one. Okay. So let's say I put in Carousel, then I put there like official statement you have to put like all the pricing, everything. So I put there RM 0.01. I put there RM 0.01, Then Keyan is like, wow, teacher, I'm so interested. So I want to buy. Then Keyan go and chat with the friends and say, hey, I'm going to buy the used tissue. Okay, so the question is, when Keyan said to the friend, so hey, I want to buy the tissue, and the tissue worth, so can you tell me, Keyan will tell the friend, the tissue worth RM 0.01, or Keyan will say, I'm going to buy the tissue at 1 cent. You tell me, Keyan will say 1 cent or say RM 0.01. Come on, when you talk to your friend, do you talk officially? No, you don't talk officially on right? So that's the reason when you come into number 2, the idea is just like RM 0.04 cent. Sorry, what RM 0.04 cent? RM 0.04. Come on. So when you talk to your friend, you don't care about the zero, you just stay 4 cents. So that's why the important digit is only 4 and 8. So you put there 2SF. That's the reason. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, so that's for if you have 0.0 something. So tell me in the chat, everyone, if my question is 0.004, how many SF? 0.004. Yeah, one. Right, not one. Okay, now so stop for a while. Okay, go. So the other one. Okay, the other one. You look at this question C number 1, 8.00. I will give you a situation. You all let me know. Okay, so no point just telling you. You understand really easier for you to remember. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the situation. I remember in normal class I draw this. Okay, so now I'm gonna select like 2%. Okay, let's say lah. I know already. I use Tsinghua. Oh yeah, Tsinghua didn't buy me. Okay, never mind. Later I see again. Okay, now so see. Now see So this is our muscular teacher, Tsinghua. Okay, can? So this is me, the skinny guy. Okay. So what happened is that we are in a 100-meter race. Okay, 100-meter race. And who is the judge? Gaby is the judge. Okay, Gaby is the judge. Okay, Gaby is the judge. Okay, like this, Gaby is a girl. Yeah, Gaby is the judge. Okay, so what happened is that our race is on what? Our race is on, we want to date a girl. Yeah, so there's a girl over here is like, wow, super pretty one. So we're gonna date them. Not them. We're gonna date the girl. Okay, so the girl over here, it's like, okay, let me just simply put a name lah. The girl's name it's A. Wait, okay. So this is Tsinghua and this is me lah. Okay, so what happened is that I look at Tsinghua and Tsinghua look at me. It's like, I tell you, I'm gonna win the race. Okay, so Gaby is the one. Gaby said what? Gaby said, okay, on your mark. So we prepare already, get set, and then pang. Okay, so Gaby shoot. Then after that, Gaby is already there, so me and Tsinghua is like, we run. Okay. So the moment when both of us reach this place, right? Gaby already take the timer and click. So Gaby know the result already, right? Then Gaby revealed this way, Gaby said, Tsinghua, your 100 meters record, if you win, you can date A. Then you look at me, Gaby said, Liang, if you win the race, you can date A also, but let's see who win the race. Then Gaby revealed the time, right? You notice Tsinghua 9.2. Then I'm like scared already, shit. Then Liang 9.2 also, like, still got some chance there. Okay, then now everyone, then Gaby say cannot separate the girl, right? So we have to make sure, someone wins, right? Then Tsinghua say, come, take the second decimal point. So Tsinghua decimal point, 3. So Gaby look at the second decimal point for mine also. It's also 3. Shit. Then we have to go into the next one really. Okay, so the next one, Tsinghua is 1. I'm like, alamak, Tsinghua 1 should win already. But then Gaby shout, no, Liang Jie, yours is 0. Everyone, who wins? Of course I win. So you tell me, this 0 important or not? You tell me. Important or not? Important. So how many significant figure you have? Hey, this one determine whether I can date the girl or not, maybe my future wife, Hey. So of course, important, this one got 4 SF. So that's why just now, that 8.00, you tell me how many significant figure? Now you decide. 8.00, 3 SF. You got it? So when you learn maths, please learn this way. Understand the in-depth. Don't memorize. Memorize no point on. You know the situation, give yourself a story to understand the things that you memorize maybe. So that's how you learn. Okay, so for weak students, come on. Maths is boring. Make it better lah. So that's how you make it better. Okay. So back to the question come. So you all know how to decide already, So this is how we learn lah. Okay, but I have to advise everybody again. So make sure you really sit down and do the question that Gaby, Qinghua, me, Yishuan, we prepared a question for you already. Please do it. Okay, please do it. You don't do, no point on. Okay, hey, I still got a few more minutes only because I'm going to start doing questions already. This one is like to give you the confidence, to show you some exam type question. Yeah, okay. Now, so remember to improve as an overall. Don't just rely on Form 3, okay? Form 3 doesn't really help you lah. Okay, so now this one, nothing much. It's just number patterns. I'll skip that. Okay, I'll skip that. Okay, so everyone, look at part B. It's Form 3, right? You notice I've been talking about some Form 3 infos. Then really focus on my form what? My form 1 and 2. Form 1 and 2 I mentioned a bit lah, but not like everything. Okay, now look at this question B. So have a look at it, and I'm going to show you the question now. Saving offers a higher return than investment. Very good. You didn't answer me. You are correct. Because you shouldn't put anything. If you react, you're wrong already. Because this one's supposed to be wrong, ma. If you go and put cross, gone. You're wrong. Saving offers higher return than investment. This one false. You cannot put cross. You put cross, gone. You just blank. Because they say tick for correct statement only. You don't go and pandai put cross, gone. Current account does not give any interest. Come, react. You want to react or not? Smart. This one you give a tick. Okay, because current account memang no interest one ma. Because current account provides service. You use the check. Besides using check, what else? What's so special about current account? Besides having check as an extra feature to like, you don't have to take so many money out, right? Just write a check. So tell me another very interesting feature in current account. Not really debit card, although that's part of it. But the unique information, but the unique feature in your current account is that you can use overdraft. You know what is overdraft or not? Don't know leh. Okay, come. Do you all see a check before? Anyone didn't see a check before? Because I didn't see any check before, but until when I'm 20 plus years old, stupid, right? Okay. Yes, Singing, you're right. Overdraft is like, let's say me and Keyan. Keyan is the CEO of Candies Nuts. He sells a lot of candies on, Everyone, you can support him. Yeah, we. Now, so me and Keyan, right, we make a deal, because he's the one that sell all the candies to me, so I can sell to my students. So what happened is that our Keyan Koko sell 2,000 ringgit worth of candies to me, like jelly beans. Yeah, then what I do is that I say, Keyan, I will come up with a check. So I start writing, hey, Keyan Lim or Lim Keyan? Because I want to write the check already. Okay, so I'm going to write Keyan Lim. So I put there, Keyan Lim. So over here, there is a name on. I put Keyan Lim. 2,000 only. 2,000 /dash. And then I put the specific date. Then after that, I will sign over here, I will sign. Okay. And most important thing, every check, okay, every check, there will be my name there, you see? There's a name there. So let me show you a bit in case you can, there's my name there. That's my actual name. And there is a code. Can you see 000021? That's the check's identity. This one important, 6-digit one. So I prepare already. So I'm going to pass to Keyan. Hey, Keyan, now this is your check. So when I pass to Keyan that time, right, Keyan say, okay, ons, deal already. But then there's a problem. I didn't tell Kayan actually in my bank, there is only 1,500. Kayan don't know one, ma. It's my bank account. I just come up with the check and pass to Kayan. But you don't be stupid, ma. You put 1,500, you pass to Kayan. You take 2,000, you pass to Kayan. Your bank account got 1,500. Imagine if let's say Kayan bank in this check, I tell you, gonna the check will bounce back and I will gonna blacklist one, so in a year you cannot, I think cannot more than 3 or don't know how many times, I forget this already. You cannot simply play on, bank got the authority to buy you from using this current account. So don't play a fool. That's why what happened is that, let's say I have the creditability. So I mentioned to bank, hey bank, I need some extra money. So I will say I need to overdraft like 500 ringgit so that I can pass the check to Kayan. It's like an instant loan, right? So I pass the check to Kayan, but since I'm using bank's money, I need to pay extra interest. Okay, it's like an instant loan. Understand? So that's the special thing in current account. Besides they don't give you interest, the other special thing will be, besides check, the other special thing will be overdraft. Okay, so everyone understand what is overdraft? In case you don't know how to spell, I read it, you can write down overdraft. OVERDRAFT, overdraft. Got it? Got it, you put okay, so I know. Now the next one. Now, so I will ask everybody, you see we are doing a recap on chapter 3, So the liquidity, Kawan, tell me what is liquidity in the chats. Use your own way to explain. Nobody going to care about definition. This is not sejarah. Okay, so use your own way to explain to me what is liquidity in chapter 3. What is liquidity? Nearly there, almost. Korean also nearly there. Kami nearly there. Like I understand what you mean. Roughly you get already, but right in a, maybe you rephrase the word a bit. Santosh, no, it's not the risk level. Hanwei nearly there also. You have to add another word called back. Okay. Okay, so very simple one. Actually, roughly, I know what you all mentioned. Okay, so I will tell you. The meaning of liquidity means whether you can easily convert something into cash. Okay, whether you can easily convert something into cash. Okay, let me give you a good example. Let's say okay, I come up with another student. Let's say Brian. Okay, so Brian, it's a millionaire. Okay, a millionaire in a way where he owned a bungalow, and the bungalow worth 5 million. Okay, I repeat, Brian is a millionaire in a way where Brian owns a 5 million bungalow. Okay, but then Brian don't have any cash. He got that 5 million property only, and then suddenly Brian no cash. Brian got bungalow only. Okay, so what happens is that Brian suddenly said, "Hiya, I'm a millionaire. I want to go KFC, buy a 5 ringgit worth of menu Rama." Rama or Raman, forget already. Okay, you want to buy a 5 ringgit worth of menu Raman. Okay, so Brian said, I feel like eating 5 ringgit one. So he go to the property there. He go to his property and go and correct one brick out and take the brick, pass to the person. Hey, this brick worth 5 ringgit. I want to buy menu Rama. Can or not? Crazy one, where can? Correct or not? So do you notice property is so hard to convert into cash? That's called liquidity super low. Come on, if let's say you want to convert to cash, you have to wait for seller. And then after you want to sell already, somehow you have to wait for the bank procedure. Right? Somehow you have to wait for a lawyer to settle all those name transfer, then only you will get the 5 million. Come on, it takes like nearly 3 to 6 months just to get back your 5 million. You get what I mean? That's why the liquidity is so low. Can you tell me anything that you learn in chapter 3 where the liquidity is super high? Your own savings account. You take a debit card, you can take the money out instantly. Okay, stock consider also, you just sell the stock, but you will lose something if let's say it's selling at low price, right? So savings account, your own money is the fastest way to get the money out. Correct? So everyone, liquidity of unit trust is higher compared to real estate. Yes. So you put a tick. Unit trust is basically like shares. It's just that the person that manage is those investment banker, the professionals. Yeah. So if let's say you buy shares yourself, they will put there shares. Unit trust will be professional handle for you. So you have to pay professional a certain commissions. Okay. So your return will be slightly lower compared to you buy the share yourself. Okay, everyone, understand not? Can Okay, so move. If I say okay, you want me to move, then we move already. We move on to the next part. Okay, next part over here. Section C, 60 marks. Saw that. Square root, linear. Your what's it called? Your number pattern sequence. Okay, then after that, what's it called? That's called like simultaneous equation. You have to form two equations using unknowns. Arc and sector, and can you see above you have indices as well as algebraic fractions, right? Okay, everyone, do you know where to get all these revisions? Like I didn't teach you, but is there any videos that you can watch to recap all these things? Yes, I will tell you now. Okay, I'll tell you now. Okay, now, so over here, see diagram 2 shows quadrant, arc and sector. Arc and sector, okay, circles, arc and sector. Okay, then after that, transformation. Transformation, these are form 2. Okay, these are form 2. Except for these indices is form 3. Okay, so please understand your exam syllabus. If you are just purely form 3, then you focus on form 3. I will mention as an overall. Okay, so can you see this one, form 2 form 2 chapter 2. Kayan, can I know like your form 2 is only the form 2 chapters behind or the whole form 2? Behind only. That's why, is this considered part of your syllabus? No, this is chapter 2. Form 2 chapter 2. So you have to know your syllabus well, everyone. So if not, you don't know what to test, you just how to say bang into your exam. Gone. Art and sector, this is chapter what? Art and sector chapter what? Do you know that? Come take a guess. I want to see any of you know. Yes, art and sector is actually chapter 5. Yeah, art and sector is chapter 5. So that's why, like back to Kayan's syllabus, this is not in your syllabus. Okay, so that's why art and sector, it's actually circles. Yeah, so your form 2 they name it as circles okay, so make sure you check your syllabus. Check your syllabus. Like you know the syllabus, then you can easily hack your exam because I prepared the questions for you already. Okay, then transformation. Back to Kayan, because you are testing chapter 7 onwards in your form 2, right? Is this relevant to you? Yes, transformation. Transformation is called isometric transformation. That's chapter 11, almost the end of it, right? Okay, so you have to know your syllabus well, everyone. Okay, then after that, this one is your, what is this about? Okay, this is about area shaded region, chapter 2, not relevant to you. As for Kayan, but everybody check out for Catholic high school, basically everything you have to know. Okay, then this one is about statistics. Yes, part of your syllabus, everyone. Sorry, for Kayan. And then probability, Kayan, important. Yeah. Then this one, midpoint coordinates. Midpoint coordinate, important or not for you, Kayan, because yours is chapter 7 onwards. For you, important or not? Yes, because so happened that chapter 7 is coordinate. This one is about midpoint. This one is about distance. You need Pythagoras theorem. Can you see these questions like quite a lot, like 3 marks total? Yeah, okay. So make sure you all know what to study. If not, you just blindly study everything, no point on. Gradient, yes. This one is your syllabus chapter 10. Gradient. Okay, gradient formulas. Set, form 1, not relevant to you for Kayan. So know your syllabus. Okay, but for Catholic high school, be careful. All. You have to know all. Okay. Yeah, Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram. Then after that, come, form 3, we do again. Come. Complete the statement below. See or no or not? finance charges is a fee charged on after the interest fee period. There is multiple type of answer lah. I want to see whether you all fall under that answer category or not. Okay, good. Santosh, correct. Come. Come, more replies. You don't know, you can put dash. I'm okay. I notice my hair very messy. Come. Nope. Do you want to try again? It's actually 2 words. Okay, no, it's 2 words. 2 words. I give you all a hint. The hint starts with O. Yeah, the words start with O. Santosh, that one also can. Okay, let me tell you what's the answer. The answer is yes, Junhao, you're right. Use OB also. Okay, not bad. Okay, because I use OB a lot of time. OB means outstanding balance, kawan. You say outstanding amount also can. So outstanding balance, outstanding amount, but normally we use OB. OB means outstanding balance. Okay, outstanding balance. Okay, number 2, late payment charge is a fee charged on someone who failed to pay at least, starts with M. No. Santos, the first word correct, last word no. Kayan, last word no. Last word you need to type. You need to type full one. Kayan, that one nearly correct already. Correct. The answer is minimum payment. Minimum payment. Very good. Wow, not bad. This one. Actually, a lot of students know. Okay, serious. Amina borrowed a sum of money from the bank. From a bank. Arjuna cannot. Because minimum payment, you have two parts. It's supposed to be 5% of outstanding or RM50. If let's say you put that, so it would be better to put the title. The title minimum payment explain everything already. So that would be better lah. If let's say you put 5% only, it's not complete. Even if you put 5% or RM50, not recommended lah. Better to put words. Okay, so Amina borrowed a sum of money from the bank for a period of 5 years with interest rate 7%. Everyone, smart people don't use 7% one. What we use? Come. Yes. Come. Smart people don't use 7% one. What we use? Yes lah, we use 0.07. Very good. Nobody use 7/100 one. That one is for noobs. Hey, simply say. So normally 7/100, we can straight away put like 0.07. It's the same thing, but it's easier to type into calculator as well as to write out. Okay, everyone, tell me what is, I read first. If she needs to pay monthly installment of 1,800, find Amina's total loan. Tell me the formula to this. Tell me the formula to this question. Very good. Very good. P plus PRT, smart. P plus PRT, give you all a thumbs up. Very good. Okay, P plus PRT. Okay, everyone. My pen nearly drops. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, let me just bling. Okay, the next part, just to quick go through lah. This one is your statistics in your form 2. Kayan relevant, mode, mean, median. Yeah. And then shortest length, area. This one need Pythagoras theorem. Nope. I mean for Kayan, nope. Sorry, I didn't notice that. What is A over N? I'm not so sure about that. What is A? And then for B, Kayan, speed and acceleration important. Oh yeah, sorry. A means the total, what's it called? Loan repayment, right? Yes. Sorry. back to Shanto's question. Santosh mentioned that, teacher, we can use P plus PRT divided by N. Yes, you're supposed to do that. P plus PRT gets you the total loan, right? Then you divide by number of installment equals to 1,800 just now. Okay. So this one, speed, important. Thank you, Santosh. Okay. And then after that, this one, form one constructions. Okay, constructions. Yeah. So everyone, do you think I have every single revision for you to watch? Mostly. Okay, speed acceleration I don't have lah. Okay, but mostly I have it ready. Okay. Now, so everyone, I don't want to show you the rest because like there is still a lot, because I want to make sure you know where to get the information. If not, like a bit no point for you to like sit down and study because you don't have anything to refer, right? Besides answer only, no point on. You need something to refer. Okay. So all these things I'm not referring to you, but wait, I just want to test because yesterday I don't know why students say cannot copy. Okay, so I will try one more time. Okay, everyone. Wait. Can you try this? I know you can click, but then, can you copy the link? Possible to copy, right? You test and see. Let me know because if I say cannot, then I have to move to other place already. Can or not? I mean, copy the link. I mean, open can, but copy cannot. Oh, copy cannot. Okay, never mind. So what happened is that, okay, let me just do a quick sum up. Okay, let me do a quick sum up. Okay, wait. Okay, let me just do a quick sum up. Okay, paste, and then let me do a quick sum up. Hey, somebody called me. Wait, don't call me first. Don't call me first. Somebody called me. Wait, let me do a quick sum up. Okay, while I'm copying all these extra exam paper for you guys, right? I'm gonna mention one more time. Yes, you notice I didn't really do the question inside because I want you to do it yourself. Yes, yeah. Okay, let me just quickly copy this. Okay, now, everyone. So what happened is that, can you see my YouTube channel? Can? Sorry, I quickly just answer this. Hello? Can I know who's this? Sorry, let's come back. Okay. Now, so there's a parent. How to say? It's in front of the class, TTC branch, to collect the notes. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's the point. I'm gonna show you. Okay, everyone. Now this is my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. So how do you get like all the important informations? Okay, important information is very simple. Not really lah. Okay, because I do it for extra. Okay. So what you do is that when you go down, can you see from fail to master? Nah, I very honest one. Okay, so you are weak. I will say you are weak because I used to be weak before. So I have, I can say you're weak because I'm weak before. I'm 29 marks. Okay, so if you are super weak, how do you improve yourself as an overall? Like just now when I explained linear equation, then some of you is like, oh teacher, I finally understand what you mean. Good. So this is what happened. If you are weak, please make sure you go through every single question that I explain over here. You write down, jot down. When you jot down, you understand it. You don't get it, you just rewind back and watch again. Just pull it back. Okay, or you pause, understand, then continue. So there is 6 important basic video over here, 7 important basic video over here. Please watch them if you are super weak, because these are mother of mathematics, the basics. Okay, then art and sector, this one don't have to care about it first lah. So you make sure you master this first. Okay, then for those that you need extra, what's it called? Maybe some of the chapters you need to go through just to understand the in-depth everything, right? Okay, so if you need specific one, you can click on playlist. Can you see playlist there? Bam. Junhao, yes, I'll pass you I will let you know where to get the answers, everything. Okay, so you click on playlist, right? Okay, you see, I'm going to select all playlists. See all playlists, I'm going to select. Hey, how to open? See playlist. So the playlist, everything is over here. So what happens is that you can check out like let's say you want Pythagoras theorem, you want like form 3 angles, tangent of the circles, you want your form 1 square root. You can search it from here. Okay, you can search it from here, but this one not like full one. Okay, so the important one is actually this. Okay, I go back to home again. Okay, I go back to home again. Look at this. Okay, look at this. See, form 4, form 5, KSSM mathematics. This is important. Click this. Click this. So once you click this already, hello everybody. Wait, once you click this already, look at this. Bam. Okay, then see, now what you're going to do is that because it's relevant to your what you see. Yes, all paper are KBSM state paper, most of them. To improve your KSSM form 1 to form 3. Sorry, form 5 you can ignore lah. Okay, because you know your chapters one. You don't know your chapter, that's a problem really. Okay, you don't know your chapter, is like you are blank. You just go into the class, then you say, teacher, what happened? So you have to make sure you start to understand what your chapter is about. Okay, then what happened is that student just now a few students say, teacher, got any consumer mathematics video or not? Yes. Here you see 3 hours, 1 hour SPM revision on consumer mathematics, interest, shares, and ROI, PT3 friendly. Click if you need lah, because like some of you test is only 3 point something, so maybe you can focus on interest only. Then car loans, P plus PRT, credit cards. Ignore the SMART. SMART is form 4, consumer mathematics. Form 4, form 5, you have another 3 consumer mathematics. Is 10 times harder than your normal mathematics. Okay, now so the next one. Okay, the next one. Now student will say like, teacher, I'm not so okay with all the indices lah, my algebraic expression, because I scared they will come up with, especially Catholic high school student, that's important. So what you can do is that you go to every paper 1 question. For form 3 only, you don't go and click paper 2, click paper 1 only for y'all, because your level relevant to paper 1. Paper 2, don't click. Okay, so you're gonna click on that. You're gonna click on that. Any of it, Perlis la, Selangor la, Terengganu, can. Okay, Melaka also can. I think there is a Melaka. So what I do is that I make an initiative to type out every single title so that students can benefit out of them. Okay, so you're gonna go down. You're gonna go down. Do you notice I type every single timestamp for everybody already? That's why you can save your time. You don't have to watch the whole thing just to find out. No need. You see, let's say students say, teacher, I'm weak in polygon. Oh. My school will test polygon. Then you click on polygon, you click, bam. There it goes polygon and you watch. Okay, and you can try out the question with me if you want. Okay, so you try it up, you can click on this. This is the PDF file. But you click, then it goes to your PDF file if you need. Okay, can also I click on. Okay, then you go down. Like just now I said, you are not so good in your indices, your algebraic formula. See, there, saw that. Then clear your statistics, everything here. Graph function, everything here you can click. Okay, so these are parts where you can study. Okay, study so that you have more questions to watch. Because like I already said, 2 hours, I can do question with you, but not a lot. But I recorded everything so that it's only 2-3 minutes per question. You don't have to watch the whole thing. You watch the whole thing for what? Yeah, you see, like standard form, all these things is relevant to you. You can watch. Yeah, so focus on that. You see, circles you haven't learned yet. It's your chapter 6, everyone. You haven't learned yet. You see your transformations. Like most of it is over here. Yeah. Then after that, next, you see I go. If you are not so sure whether when you watch is it relevant, you WhatsApp me. You send in Instagram also can. Just type Liang Mathematics. Easier for you to find me. Okay. Then after that, you see another one. That one is Pulau Pinang, right? You can search for others. Okay, you can search for like Perlis paper 1, for example. Okay, everyone, can you write a very big word there, Perlis, in your notes? Come, click. Perlis. Write super big in your notes, Perlis. Okay, because I'm gonna put the link inside. It will be easier for you to recap. Wait. Okay, good. So I copy already. Okay, everyone. So just to mention again, SPM question mostly form 3. You see, standard form, solid geometry. So that please make sure you know that. But I have to say this again. You have to know your syllabus. If you don't know your exam syllabus, you watch extra, it will waste your time. So improve yourself after the exam. Watch other things as well. But for now, if let's say you're focusing on your exam, right? Focus on your exam syllabus first. Okay, so you see like polygon, circles, transformation, please watch. Okay, then after that, see or not, again, as we expand formula, your fractions, multiplication, everything is there. Indices, inequalities, statistics, all these things. Okay, so you all get what I mean, right? So these are information where if I do one question, it will waste your time. So I put into videos, you can rewatch. If I mention now, you don't understand, I have to say again, no point, right? You watch the video, it will save your time. That's the reason, the initiative on giving you extra time in improving yourself. Okay, everyone, because actually quite a lot of students say that, teacher, can I get the past year paper from Catholic High School? Yes, I'll put it now because cannot copy, right? So I'm going to click on edit video. You all check now, see whether is it inside or not. Okay, you go to the channel and click on Perlis. Okay, Perlis. I put in Perlis. Okay, I put in Perlis. I will put it over here right below my here. Okay, I put here CHS form 3. Okay, CHS form 3. Okay, so I put it over here. You all check, see or not. Okay, wait, save. Okay, I save already. So you all check for me, see whether is it there. Perlis paper. Check for me. If let's say it's there already, you click. Then easier. You don't have to copy. You can go there and take the past year. The whole set of seminar past year is actually good enough already. And it's just that if you need extra, you can take it from there. That's why a lot of questions for you to try it out. Yeah. Okay. So if let's say you want to ask me any questions, right? Just go Instagram. Just click on Liang Mathematics. Same thing. You can ask me any questions there. Just take a picture and send to me. But if I didn't reply, just send me a few more times now. Okay. Yeah. So okay. Understand? Okay. If understand, you put okay. I will go to the seminar notes and guide you on how to revise. I say again, I didn't really do a lot of questions. Okay, it's more to like talking about it. Yeah, Junhao, that's the point. Okay, as for students said that, teacher, where to get the answer for seminar? Come. But I haven't posted it yet. Because I need to pass it to Jahan. Jahan will be the person that put it inside. Okay, everyone know this site, right? You know this site? Because you enter from here, right? You enter from here. So you're gonna go down. You're gonna go down. Can you see I want PDF notes? Right? Click on this. Bam. So the moment you click on this, can you see Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4, Form 5 answers? All right. But I haven't posted yet. I will pass it to Jahan first. I haven't posted yet. So you're gonna click on maths. Then the notes is here already. In case like Sato say you don't have the notes, right? It's over here. You can temporarily get it first if let's say you haven't received yet. Okay. Now so back to this. Okay, one more time. One more time. Okay, type again. Okay, one more time. You see. So you know this, right, Sining? Like this is where you enter your seminar, right? Yeah. Then you're gonna scroll down. This is where you enter your seminar. So you're gonna go here. Ding. I want PDF notes. You're gonna click on that. Bah. So you click on that, they will direct you to Google Classroom, Google Drive. So you're gonna click on Form 3 seminar notes and answers. So you click on maths, and then suppose you will get your informations there. But I haven't posted yet. Yeah, the answer everything is not done yet. I mean done already. I haven't sent it to Jahan. So maybe like another 2 days you will get it ready. Yeah, so you all can start doing it first. Okay, so Junhao, you understand where to get it? So everyone understand? Understand you put one. You put one, I know already. Okay, but Junhao and a few more students, like I think it's Miu-Jun, right? The notes from Qinghua and the notes from me and Gaby and Yixuan is the same. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, so just in case you'll say like teacher the same or not, same. Yeah, we share the same notes. Yeah. Okay, so looks like there's only 6 students understand the rest. I don't know. Right? If you understand, you put one, so I have to go to the question already. Okay, boom. So stop share. Share. Okay, I'm here to provide you all the infos. You cannot get the infos, you can message me in Instagram. You can get the info. You can communicate with me there lah. Okay, now our final part to guide you on what to study, and then make sure you really spend some time, sit down and start to understand mathematics. Yeah, start to understand mathematics. Yeah, okay. So, okay, can see already, right? Okay, everyone. So I'm gonna come over here. You notice in your cover page, on the cover page, your content page, okay, I put like Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, everything. Okay, now, the next thing will be, just now I already said, okay, I think better for me to go through some Form 3 infos lah. You look at your indices now, okay, then your consumer, page 24, come, move, page 24, like behind one. There is plenty of super hard question. You don't expect every single question in your test paper is like same style over here. Yeah, I didn't put those easy one. I put those hard one inside. This one, graph of function. You don't understand any part, you want to ask like, what is this about? Please ask me in Instagram. Okay, this one, indices. Yeah, indices. So in normal class, I did 5 questions. Okay, normal class, I did 5 questions. And then I noticed, like just now a few students say, teacher, my school exam is only chapter 1. Your exam question is not even level like this. That's why just now I say more than half actually score like super high marks, like 90 and above. Yeah, okay, it's only chapter 1 and it's only rule-based. These are not rule-based. Okay, so what happened is that, okay, why not I just simply get one question and we try together. Okay, let's say something over here lah, question 6. Okay, so let's read. They say complete the following steps of calculation by filling in the boxes with correct answers. Okay, then they say, now everyone look at this. My first step to you, when you see bracket, what you will tell me. Like general mathematics, when you see bracket, what you will tell me? You will times. Okay, you will times. Correct, you will times them. So don't forget, we are dealing with indices. What is indices? What is index? Come, I show you some example. Let's say 2 cubed. This is the base. And this is the index or maybe indices. Okay, indices means a lot. Okay, plural. Index means like singular. Okay, yes, Tutor, you're right. Just now I mentioned that. Okay, then when you come into this case, right? Bracket ma times negative 15. Bracket ma, you times negative 12. So first part done already. I mean, first part means every box you get 1 mark because 4 marks, Okay, then the next one. Do you notice they deal with this already? So tell me over what can you do? Like same base, what you will do. Same base, what you will do. Times you plus, divide you minus. We talked about that before. Okay, normal class students, 100% you know already, right? So negative 15 minus 12. But student will ask me this one, Teacher, can I don't put minus 12? Can I put plus straight away? Better don't. Better don't. Okay. So now we go into final answer. Okay, we're going to final answer. So we need to get like final answer. Of course, I put some extra workings for myself to see before I fill up final answers lah. Okay, so that will be U negative 15 plus 12 negative 3, and this will be V negative 11. Okay, everyone, do you put negative 3 and V negative 11? Yes or no? The answer is your teacher don't like negative index. Okay, your teacher don't like negative indices. So what you're going to do is to convert this into what? This is over 1, right? So 1 over U3 and V11. And you can write answer already. Okay, so your answer will be the new one. 1 over U3 V11. Then you will get your full 4 marks. Okay, understand? Okay, come, move. Okay, move. Come. Okay, question 7. Come again. Now, so they say what? They say by using simpler method. Oh, simpler method means expand only lah. Okay. Then they say simplify this. Simplify means you're going to get a final answer already. Okay. Everyone, let me tell you a very simple situation. Walao, loro. Scared or not? You say you're scared or not? Kayan, you scared? Come. Nearer to the screen. Come, Junhao. Very good. Come. Okay, now, so let me tell you, senang je. Can you see power 0? Anything to the power 0, tell me. Anything to the power 0, 1. Correct not? So your answer, 1 over E negative 3. Your teacher don't like negative index. Switch lah. So throw that E3 done. That's why they say simpler method ma. Means don't write a lot of things there lah. Just hantam the answers straight away. Okay, so you notice the one in question 6 and the one in question 7 is more like unknown related, more like algebraic expressions, right? So now we're going to use something where we have to compare. We have to compare a bit. By the way, some is from Asunta High School, SMK Asunta. Some is from Catholic High School. Some is from UG12. Random. Yeah. So that's how I select the questions from. But I already said it's not like every single question is the same as this. It's just that I pick up all the hard one and put it over here. So mostly hot questions. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me do like number 2. So everyone, let me tell you again. Okay, let me tell you again, the steps to solve your indices. Big to small, small to big. Bracket, you gonna times. Same base times you plus. Divide you minus. We know all these things right now. Okay, so now, is there any big base for you to make it smaller? Yes. I'll put it by the side as an example on what is a big base. Big base can be anything. Small base as in prime number. Okay, there is so many different ways, but if let's say I'm going to standardize them, I'll use prime number. Because strong students will say, teacher, can I make it 4? 4 cube? Can. Okay, you can make it 4 cube. So I'm going to put like into prime number format. So my workings will be slightly longer, more standardized. 64 will be 8 and 8. It's not prime number yet, so I'll go down. Xingning, come, I show you. Let me finish the workings first. 8, you can make it 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is times relationship, guys. So can you see 4, you get 2 and 2. Now, how many 2s you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 2 power 6. I see. Big base to small base. Small index to big index. This is what I mean. Okay, right? Then the next one, I come into this case 64. Okay, change to 2 power 6, put a bracket to represent the 64, put an A there. Take the 4, change it to 2 square, put a bracket and put the 4 minus A outside. Korean, that's what I mean. If let's say super strong student, they will say, teacher, why the 64 don't want to put 4 cube? Yeah. So I said yes. That's why Korean, you are good. But for me, to teach, I will standardize. Normally, I will say prime number. So prime number, you have slightly larger answer to compare. So times you bracket, you will times. So 2 power 6a equals to 2 power 2 and 4, 8, 2 and negative a, 2a. Then you got same base already, you can compare. So compare 6a and your 8 minus 2. So therefore, 6a equals to 8 minus 2a. Throw the minus 2 there. Throw the minus 2 there. Oops. You get 6a minus 2a, 8a. So a equals to 1. Ta-da! Okay, or not? Okay, everyone. I don't want to drag too much because the important thing is that I already said you have to sit down and do it. But before you go, I need honest reply. It's okay. I'm okay with all the comments that you all mentioned to me. Okay, I'm okay with that because I'm here to improve the seminar qualities, everything. Okay, so everyone, before you go, I just want to ask, do you prefer me to give you infos or you prefer me to do question in seminar? Tell me in the chats, then you can go already. Okay, so make sure you all really sit down, try out the question. If you want to find me, you can find me from Instagram. You can send me a message there. Liang G's mathematics. Okay, then next, is this seminar useful to you as in the informations? Let me know as well. Okay, bye everyone. Okay, bye. Yeah, because we used to have 3-hour seminars. Yeah, so we reduced to 2 hours already. It's like super short. Santos, sorry, I didn't hear that. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Let's do question together. Okay. But you have to do it also. Yeah, so make sure you sit down and do what I mean. Yeah, Santosh. Yeah, I already said the answer it's in the PDF part. Okay, bye.